In this video, we're going to quickly talk about how to log into OpenAI's platform and get an API key. So where you want to go is platform.openai.com, as you see here. And once you go there, you're going to land on this page here, and there's a lot of info here that you don't need to really worry about too much. All we're going to worry about is the button over in the top right hand corner that says sign up. Simply click on that one. It's going to take you to a sign up page, and in that sign up page you can choose to sign up via email, or you can use one of these accounts. Alright, and once it comes up, select your Gmail account. Click the next button, put in your password. And the system's setting up your account. Now once you've logged in, you're going to be on the logged in screen, and that sign up button and the login button disappear. So you know you've successfully done that. Now it might send you an email to confirm and follow those codes, but once you're logged in, now is where you're going to find the API key. That's the main goal here. So once you're logged in, there are a number of submenus here, and there's also projects. So when you click on this drop down right now, you see I only have the default project. The first thing I would recommend you do is create a project, because your projects are going to be your API keys are going to be tied to your project names. So for example, let's say you have a new project. We'll call it my new project. Really creative name, I know. And then sometimes I like to append with a date. So I put the date on there and then simply click create. And once the project is created, it's as simple as that. Now another trick is you can switch between your projects here. So when you're creating an API key for a specific product, make sure you've got the correct project selected. So I've got the project I want to create the API key for now. Once I've got that done, I'm going to come over here to the dashboard, and then you're going to see it's empty. But over on the left hand side, there's a button for API keys. Click that. It's going to tell me I need to verify a phone number. This is a one-time verification that you do have to verify your phone number before you can get an API key. So I just gave it my phone number, and it's going to take a second, and then it'll text me. Here it is. Okay, it just tells you that this API key is tied to your user and can make requests against the selected project. If you are removed from the organization or project, it will be disabled. So we are now in the create a new secret key, because we've verified. So we're going to want to name the actual API key. The name doesn't really matter other than for your own reference. So I'm going to say my new project key. And again, here's the selection of project if you didn't select the correct one, but it's showing what's going to create the API key under. You want to leave permissions as all, and then click the create secret key button there. Now, very important, here's where your key is. This is a one-time, I believe like most other API key systems, it's going to be shown to you the one time, and you'll have to create a new one if you need it again, which means you might have to send a new one to your developer. So you don't want to lose this. So you want to copy this. For some reason I keep clicking my right mouse key button. Alright, so you want to copy it, and then what I'd recommend is put it into a notepad and save it somewhere safe, which I'm going to do right now. I'm actually going to be deleting this one in a minute anyway, right after this video, so don't bother trying to copy it, not that you can even see all of it. But yeah, so once you've copied that API key, you can click done, and then you'll see your API keys, again what we named it, which is my new project key. Here's the secret key, when it was created, and everything. So if you need to edit it, you can click edit and jump in there. rename it, whatever you need to do. But the main thing is, if you delete this, or you deactivate it, or you lose it, or your developer loses the particular key, then you just simply have to create a new one, which again, you just come in here. I'm gonna go back to the playground, which is a little bit confusing because most systems you log into a dashboard to start with, but this one you log into a playground first. But from the playground, you then click on dashboard. Over on the left, you've got API keys. Click API keys, and there we go. Now you can create a new secret API key. All right, so simple as that. Again, that is the key. Yeah, you could change permissions, you can delete it, you can remove it, but you can't see it again. So make sure once you create it, copy paste it, get it over to your developer, and then don't change it again, or he won't be able to use it, and things can break. All right, if you have any questions or want to see more videos like this, drop a comment down below. If you're watching us on YouTube, like, subscribe, appreciate it, and take care. I'm Jim. I'll see you.